to Xplore Teenz presentation video. Tides or tidal energy. How it happened, how it can replace conventional electric supply in production as we need to pay high electric bill nowadays.
Due to gravitational pull of sun and moon and centrifugal force of earth, tides produce in ocean. The phenomenon of rising and falling of water in ocean is called as tides, and tide energy is used to generate electricity.
The term tidal refers to the rise and fall of water level in the oceans. Officially, tidal energy help us generate electricity. A power is a plant in which tidal energy is converted electricity energy.
In this video, we will understand how tidal power energy plant works and how they in producing electrical energy in Negeri Sembilan, especially production. Maybe we can pay bills lower next time, can save more money, I guess.
Welcome to an electrifying journey into the future of renewable energy. In this captivating video, we'll dive deep into the workings of tidal power plants and how they are revolutionizing the way we produce electricity. Imagine harnessing the immense power of the ocean tides to create clean, sustainable electricity. That's exactly what tidal power plants do.
Has a various design available which are used to produce electricity. Two heat produce tide in Asia seas. The turbine rotates and produces electricity.
Picture this: massive gates known as sluice gates strategically positioned to control the flow of water. As the tide rise and fall, water is channeled into vast basins ready to be put to work. Enter the turbine, a marvel of engineering. Submerged beneath the waves, these turbines eagerly await their moment to shine. As the rushing water spins the turbines, kinetic energy is transformed into mechanical power. But that's not all. Connected to each turbine is a powerful alternator ready to convert a mechanical energy into the electricity we rely on every day. It's a symphony of innovation and efficiency. Let's take a fun trip to learn about ocean tides. Get ready to explore how the moon, sun and earth work together to make waves. First off, we have the moon. It pulls on the ocean with its gravity, making a little bump in the water closest to it. This bump creates high tides. Next, we have got the sun. Its gravity also pulls on the ocean, making another bump. When the sun and moon line up, they make extra big bumps and super high tides. Now, Earth likes to spin like a top, and as it does, different parts of the ocean feel the pull of the moon and sun. That's why the tides keep changing all day long. First up, the benefits. Tidal power offers a tidal wave of advantages. Benefit number 1, clean green energy. Unlike the fossil fuels, tidal power produces zero greenhouse gas emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for powering our planet. Benefit number 2, renewable resource. The tides are a perpetual force of nature, ensuring a constant supply of energy for generations to come. Benefit number 3, economic opportunities. Tidal power plants create jobs, stimulate local economies and reduce reliance on imported energy sources. A win-win for communities around the world. Benefit number 4, minimal environmental impact. With careful planning and design, tidal power plants can coexist harmoniously with marine ecosystems, preserving precious habitats for marine life. While tidal power has benefits, it also has drawbacks. First, it's expensive to build. Second, tidal power plants need specific location with strong tides. Third, there can be transmission losses. Finally, tidal power can impact marine ecosystems. So, while tidal power is promising, it's important to address these challenges for a sustainable future. Although the Malaysian tidal stream energy resource is not large enough to make a significant contribution to the country's energy mix, there may yet be opportunities to use a low-speed tidal turbines in small scale and off-grid electricity generation scenes. It is hoped that this material will prove useful to the development of tidal stream power not only in Malaysia but also worldwide. With dedication and ingenuity, we are unlocking the boundless potential of tidal energy, paving the way for a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow.
So join us, we ride the ride of innovation, harnessing the power of the ocean to tide up the world. Together we can turn the tides towards a cleaner, greener future.
Empowering the future with tidal power.